Welcome to a Ghost Pepper Challenge. I'm here with Retro Rampage, Seabeard, Mossman.
Seaman, Mossman.
Together we are Seaman.
Seaman. Man of the
horrible.
sea.
So we got,
That's awesome.
so we're going to try to eat this the proper way.
It's his favorite condiment.
We're going to chew it for 30 seconds, swallow it, and then ride it for 5 minutes. No drink.
So who's the timekeeper?
I got it right here.
You're
Right,
keeping
we got a
time.
timer.
Keeping time.
And wait, hang on.
half.
So this is a full one. That's a full
Yeah.
one. They look like tongues. These
We
Fine,
only got
gentlemen.
3, so we're doing half.
are only doing half.
It doesn't matter. It's like
still
my
the size of
tolerance to
my thumb.
hot stuff is not high at all.
Gonna
So
burn.
So basically,
this is gonna be horrible.
these fine young gentlemen are doing half. Me and this guy are doing wholes.
This is the best day ever.
So you can come to your own conclusion.
I'm gonna switch mine out for a carrot. You have
But
to
30
chew
seconds.
It? You have to chew it for 5 minutes?
30 seconds. You
Oh.
chew it for 30 seconds and then you swallow it.
Okay, you guys ready?
And then you ride it out for 5
Gotta
minutes.
keep it in there chewing
Oh, we
it.
should probably see that you've actually chewed it up too. We don't want you doing
Won't you be
anything.
Oh, you'll know.
No
You'll know when my
cheating.
face turns. Yeah, I don't think I'll be faking it. So let's.
Alright, we're
You
just
ready?
dragging this out. We gotta just...
Yeah, I know. I'm
Yeah,
ready
the
to
sooner
jump.
we
I
do
want
this,
to jump
the
now.
sooner.
Okay, I'm tired of standing on the edge. Let's just get this over with. Okay, ready?
So let's get a game of cave troll out of the way. And then, okay.
Are we starting
Alright.
this all together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, same time. He's gonna start
Ready,
the time.
set, go.
Fuck.
Oh,
You're
good.
going to the scrum, right?
Well,
You eat this too?
I'm pulling. It's not bad at first.
We only have 13
Oh
seconds.
my gosh, swallowed it and
Here
it
we go.
got really hot.
Okay, chewy.
It actually tastes pretty good, like considering the
Yeah.
You're on
yeah.
crack.
flavor. It's not bad.
It doesn't taste like anything, it just tastes like fire.
It does taste like heat.
My tolerance is up a little.
I could smell it.
Alright, 30 seconds, boys. We can
Oh
swallow.
my god!
Wow. That is not.
Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Ride it out.
Woo! It's gonna build for a little while.
My throat hurts.
I'm already at my max.
What?
It is really hot.
Mine wasn't that bad. I think I got a dud.
A dud.
It's done!
It's bullshit.
Oh, so hot!
My God.
My
That's
eyes!
good.
My eyes!
Oh, this is.
Your eyes.
They're watering! Oh, this is way worse than that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god!
I just like right on the tip of the tongue. Burning.
I don't know how you do this all the time.
Mau.
God, I hate you. How long? Get the milk on the ready. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
it's picking up now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here's like, I'm feeling it. I'm like, oh
No, I think I got a handle on it. I'm okay. Alright. That's
my god.
hot,
Dude, I'm
though.
crying.
That's hot.
I'd have.
I might have to blow my nose. Does that count as cheating?
I don't think. Oh, look at
What are you doing to me? Come here.
this. Those are tears. Those are tears. I am a full-grown man crying. Oh god! Every time I exhale, it's like fire. Ah!
Your eyes, man. You
Oh, it
think you
hurts.
got maced.
It hurts so bad. I hate hot stuff. I hate hot stuff so much. Wow, dude.
Oh my god.
Yeah, those are pretty mild.
No! It hurts my fucking tongue.
That's hot. Right, it's hot.
Ah!
Oh, so hot.
Ah!
Yeah, I think the jalapeno is like 3,000 Scoville, and so that's a million.
A Scoville?
Yeah, it's like a town. It's the town of hot. It's where all hot things live. Oh, man.
They just passed the halfway mark.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's hot. It does. It really. I think it peaks like a minute and a half. I'm good.
Oh. Yeah, that's probably fast. Can I have some of that? My nose is dying.
Hopefully good.
Dude, that cleans up.
How you doing?
Pound through.
Dude, it's not hot at all. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
I can't wait to
I
go to
would-
the bathroom.
I would
It's
eat.
amazing. It's gonna
I
hurt.
would eat. Those not even hot. It's not even hot. Not even hot.
Oh god.
Wish we had more. Not even hot.
Oh man. So where these come from?
Hell.
Holland. Close. Close. Sweet Holland.
Yeah, it's past its peak, but it's still really hot. That may not be the hottest thing you've ever eaten, but that is definitely the hottest thing I've ever eaten.
It's the hottest I've had.
The shitty thing is I hate this, but I kind of want to try something hotter. I hate that. I mean, it's subsiding. It's calming down. But that was horrible.
The exhale is...
Like, the back of my tongue just felt like it was being fucking stung by 1,000 bees.
I can bring some pure evil next
Fire.
time.
No, I think we're probably good.
Yeah, no, that's good. No wonder no one ever guests on your channel.
What's amazing is how much saliva. Like you stop talking, it's like brrr, it's just.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just, jeez. Wow, my mouth's watering. It is just watering.
Oh, I feel so much better now.
I got a saliva farm in Scoville.
Sclovia.
Oh man, population 4. It's horrible.
My hands are getting kind of tingly. I feel it in my ears. They're like, my lips, numb.
My lips are a little numb. You did eat a full one, though.
Yeah, not a puss.
It really, honestly, like, it didn't taste that bad, like, eating it.
Yeah, until
It's not hot when you're chewing it.
Yeah, the first
You
five,
swallow it.
no, the
And when
first
you
5
swallow
seconds
it-
were good.
No, as soon as I swallowed it, I was like, oh, God.
Here, we're at 5 minutes right now.
Alright.
Awesome.
5:05.
Do you
Done.
guys want a popsicle?
You guys
I'm gonna
did
try
that.
pop.
I want a milk.
Good job, though, guys.
Do you guys want a popsicle?
Pretty good.
I'll take a
Yeah,
popsicle. That'd be great. Yeah.
Do you want a fudgesicle
Easy.
or a
Pop.
popsicle? Pop.
Fudgesicle?
Wow. I think you definitely got the lion's share of that pepper. Yeah. Yeah. I cut it in half.
really
He
hot.
said it's the placenta
You
or whatever.
got
That's
pretty
just,
wrecked for
The
a half.
placenta.
What do you mean the placenta?
the what the seeds are attached to is the hottest part of the pepper. Guess what I got none of? So you
it
get the
was
lion's share of
so
that.
hot.
I got like 5% of it. You got 95% of it.
It
So
was so hot.
it's not hot. If that's about as hot as it gets without going extract, that's
No.
no. You think it's way hotter?
Oh yeah. That was just.
That's pretty hot.
That was a ghost pepper?
Yeah.
It's pretty hot. We said it's 1 million rectins or whatever. What's it called? Skullbills?
Erected?
That's what it should be called. Rectums. Rectum. That's what erect him. No, I don't know.
Here you go.
Thank you. Don't give Chris on anything.
Here you go.
It's not gonna do anything.
I want to see someone just go for the record and just keep eating them until they can't eat them anymore. Like that's what we should do is a food eating competition of ghost pepper.
There's some lady like in India that does that. People
Oh,
like
God.
go and watch her on stage, and she just crams a ton in her mouth and rubs them in her eyes.
Oh.
She's like, I
Jesus.
think she like she doesn't have any like.
Was she blind?
I think her nerves are like immune to capsaicin.
Oh,
Like a
wow.
bird.
Something. I don't know.
Erectins?
She's a freak of nature.
That's like birds. They're immune to hot.
Your cake troll.
Birds are?
Yeah, they can't taste hot.
This thing is really frozen.
How do you know this?
Yeah, really. Who knows
That's how
that?
they distribute the seeds because they eat them.
You used to